Hi friends, my name is Manikanta. Now I glad to tell about a lorry driver story. Lorry drivers used to be uneducated and less educated. Lorry drivers used to be uncivilized. They used to be behave very rashly, but now time has changed. Highly educated people are coming to this field. The young drivers who are coming into this field are technically sound. They are earning lot of money not only through loading and unloading but also through YouTube. Their strength is only natural content. Their strength is only natural content.
పర్లేదు ఆలోచించి చిన్నగా చెప్పండి. ఎవరు అంది వద్దు. Let him speak.
They show new places and new peoples every time. That's why people are watching their videos very excitedly. Lorry driver means common man, one among us. A driver called Giridhar, he is running channel Lorry Wala. Similarly, many lorry drivers are running various channels. They have many fans have formed for them. Their channels are attracting public in very much. After some time, the YouTube will be jammed with their channels, with their videos. Jagan takes heavy loads. He would upload their videos with beautiful locations. He makes videos while explaining the lorry driver problems, and he uploads those videos in this channel. He upload videos by making such as escaping from thieves and self-cooking and tea making and drinking in the hills. Many of his videos have become viral. Many drivers like this have become popular with their videos, roam across the country. That's why we are saying current drivers are modern drivers than the previous drivers. Thank you so much.
Okay.